Welcome AP Biology students. This is a quick video help over the importance of control in a science experiment. It relates to AP Biology Science Skills 3C. The cornerstone of reliable scientific discovery lies in experimentation. But within an experiment, a crucial element often goes unnoticed, and this is the control group. It may not be as flashy as the experimental group receiving the novel treatments, but its role, the controls group role, is equally vital. In this presentation, we delve into the world of control groups and understand how they act as the backbone of a robust scientific inquiry. Imagine you are investigating the impact of a fertilizer on plant growth. The experimental group receives a dose of the fertilizer while the other group, the control group, does not. Why is this seemingly plain group so important? It serves as a baseline, a point of reference for the experiment by comparing the growth of the plant in the experimental group. And here we can isolate the effect of the fertilizer. Any observed difference in the growth can then be attributed to the fertilizer with greater confidence, not just simply random chance of variation in watering or sunlight. There are different types of control groups. The negative control, this group receives no treatment to have no effect on the dependent variable. That means the plant growth in our example. It ensures no external factors are influencing the results. So it's no exposure, since in the name is negative. The other control is the positive control. Positive means it has something. So we have to start from that point. This group receives a treatment with a known and expected outcome for another experiment, for example, to see how different lights, such as red, blue, or green light, affects the growth of a plant compared to a white light or natural light. In that experiment, we use a positive control when the plant receives natural white light. We know that natural light or the white light supports plant growth. We know that it validates the experiment and confirms our ability to measure the dependent variable, in this case the growth again, accurately. By comparing the experimental group to negative and the positive control, we gain comprehensive understanding. We can confirm the experiment itself works as intended, eliminating external influences, and isolate the effect of the independent variable, the fertilizer for our first example, and the light color in the second example, on the dependent variable that is our plant growth. Control groups are not limited, although, to plant experiments. They play a vital role in countless scientific endeavors. Imagine, for example, testing a new medication. A control group in this case might receive a placebo, so it will be the negative control, ensuring any observed effects in the medicated, the experimental group, are truly due to the drug itself. In essence, control groups are the unsung heroes of the science. They provide a foundation for comparison, eliminates biases, and ultimately validates the scientific conclusions we draw from the experiment. The next time you encounter an experiment, please remember the silent partner in the background, the control variable, the control group, ensuring the scientific journey leads to reliable and meaningful discoveries.